Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to unpack and review Vincent Chase sunglasses by Lenskart. So let's begin. Inside the case, we get the eyewear along with a microfiber cloth to clean and to keep the lens smudge-free. Now, let's check out the eyewear itself by removing the wrapping. Firstly, about the color, I bought the black frame, with grey lens, and a size large sunglasses, which is my personal preference. Up next about the frame. The frame comes with a glossy finish, as you can see here. And for the build quality, I can say it is pretty good and is made of polycarbonate plastic. And speaking of the lens, it has polarized lens, which basically is designed to reduce glare formed after the sunlight. Now here the brand claims they have scratch coating, with a 100% harmful UV rays blocking up to 400 nanometers, and is highly impact resistant too. I got this product for ₹749 from Amazon, and overall the quality is good. I can say it is on the same page as brands like Fast Track, and I do recommend this product at this price. And if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing our channel. Thank you.